It's definitely one of those videos that's got me monetized. 20,000 watch hours for this shit video. And it's shit. Let me show you. Right guys, I've just got monetized on YouTube. Took me a couple of years, if I'm honest with you. But I just want to show you what video actually helped me so much to get monetized. It doesn't matter what camera you've got. The video that got me 20,000 watch hours was a slideshow of photos. There's no speech on there. There's no video on there. It's just pictures and text. Nothing else. So, you know, just make a start. Don't go out and spend thousands on cameras and microphones. Just use your iPhone, your Android or whatever phone you have. Just get out there. Just have a go. This shite video got me 483,000 views, basically 20,000 watch hours, and 663 subscribers. Okay, it's earning me money here now, but only recently I've got monetized, so and the views just drop right off this video because it's so shite. But it's still a few people are watching it, so it's getting some revenue. But let me just show you how shite this video is. It's basically a video of an attic conversion I've done in my own house. Absolutely nothing special. As you can see, it's just photos with a bit of text on the side. Honestly, it's the worst video ever. Not even a video, just a slideshow with some text. You know, and at the end of the day, it's got me 488,000 views. What we got? 2,170 subscribers now. Most of them come from this crap video. I'll just speed this next bit up just to show you the rest of the video. Just have a go. Just get out there and make a start and give it a go yourselves. I hate talking on camera. I hate being seen on a camera. I just want to thank you all for watching. Appreciate your time. I'll see you on the next one. You can do it. Just give it a go. Peace.